The Center Block Rehabilitation Program is the largest rehabilitation program ever undertaken in Canada. It involves the restoration of the existing Center Block building and the construction of a brand new underground Parliament Welcome Center facility. My name is Siavash Mahajer. I'm the Senior Director of Construction with Public Services and Procurement Canada. Building Information Modeling, or BIM, is bringing together all of the processes involved within the project into a 3D model to mimic the state of the building. One of the big advantages that we get from the model is that we're able to look at things virtually. We're able to allow our designers and contractors to work simultaneously within the model to increase collaboration. In the future, we'll be able to leverage the model to maintain the building.
I'm Andrew McDonald, VDC Manager for PCL Ellis Don. I manage the PCLED BIM team and all tools, technology, and platforms used on the project. The backbone of BIM is a database. We essentially take scans, photos, existing data, and drawings, and we recreate the entire building in the digital format. Using the database and the 3D models, we can provide and create effective project management tools that allow users on site, like our stakeholders, our trades, our architects, engineers, and our clients, to visualize the data, do tracking, and manage all the assets on the project.
The stone on the building gives the building its iconic look and character and feel. Each piece, each stone, each carving, each grotesque, each gargoyle. So we need to maintain and preserve each of these pieces.
On the exterior alone, there's more than 300,000 stones. Our digital tracking platform allows us to see the condition of the stone before we worked on it, what was the condition of the stone after we worked on it, as well as we can understand the cost per stone and the time it took per stone. The more data and the more information we have, the better informed our decisions can be.
The Center Block Rehabilitation Program is once in a generation opportunity, and I feel very lucky and blessed to be a part of this great team.